Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to take on a new job that I've never done before. I'm going to be an amateur plumber today. Install some Pex-A from my basement into my garage. We're going to be installing a permanent wall-mounted pressure washer, and I don't have any plumbing coming into the garage at this time, so we're gonna see how this goes. So if you're interested in seeing how an amateur does Pex-A, stay tuned. Okay guys, so I did end up cutting a little hole in the sheetrock here on the ceiling. This is, I don't know if you can see up there, this is where my pipes come over. They actually come over for going into our bathroom. So we're actually gonna go in where those lines are. We're gonna run a whole line in from the basement inside all the way out here, and then we should be able to run it along. Here is the idea. And yes, it's going to be kind of unsightly because it's going to go right across here all the way to here, and then our plan is to come down right here to about this area in here. And our pressure washer is going to go in this area right here, is the plan. We have our outlet over here. So that is the plan. We'll see how it goes here. Alright guys, I'm just going to show you what I'm starting with here. We'll see how many extra trips we have to make to the hardware store, but we've got a Sharkbite. Definitely not how a plumber would do this. This is going to actually attach to my existing pipe in my laundry room. We're going to go actually from a copper pipe into PEX. It says it can do it. This will be my attachment for the hose. So that's Pex-A down to a garden hose fitting. And then here is all the expansion sleeves, clamps to mount it somewhat securely there, and 90-degree elbows. That's what we will be using for the most part. And then just a valve there, an on-off valve. As far as tools go, I didn't have a pipe cutter for copper tubing, so I got that. And then this guy here was pretty spendy. One of the cheaper ones out there for a manual one. I'm not going to be a professional PEX installer, so I didn't want to drop the money on a powered one that everybody says is nice to have, so we'll see how this manual one goes. This is off Amazon, 70 bucks. Comes with the adapters here, and then and also a cutter there to cut the pipe. So I think we have everything that we need to start this, guys. So my first step is I'm going to actually start where I want the fitting at the end, and then we'll kind of mount everything and go into the house, and then get it all finished up in the laundry room. So let's get started. Alright guys, we're going to take our first expansion sleeve, put it on here, see if this tool works. Expand away. Alright, let's see if that's enough to get this elbow on. Alright guys, we've got our elbow in right here. And now hopefully it does its job and seals up against that, how this PEX stuff is supposed to work. Alright guys, here's a little action of this tool. So I'm cutting this at like, should be a 6-foot chunk. Like that. You can see how far it goes in the first time, guys, right there. So then expand that, and then after that, then you see how you can get it all the way down. That's where you need to get the final, like that. And then you can get it to go all the way to those stops on that 90-degree elbow. All right. So that is on as far as it needs to be. Then we'll go across like that. I think that's gonna work. All right guys, just got it temporarily mounted there in the center to hold it. We're gonna measure here so we can get underneath of that overhang there. Looks like maybe about a foot, a little more than a foot. So, all right guys, I've got the long pipe threaded from in my laundry room through the hole here. So we're gonna get our 90-degree elbow in here on this one. There we go. Okay, so we got that elbow on. And then we can kind of get that where it's going to be permanently affixed and have our one section that's coming down there. And we'll connect it up to there. All right guys, so there is our pipe going up and then over into our laundry room inside the house. So now we get to go start playing with the plumbing in the laundry room. All right guys, so this used to do something, not sure where it went, but they capped it off. But I am going to tap into that, and we're gonna use our elbow, Sharkbite elbow, and connect that and that, and maybe we'll have water to the garage. Not that, you think? We're about to find out. Alright guys, we have the Sharkbite attached to the copper pipe. Now if we can get this last step where we get this Pex in here properly. Alright guys, I have that as far in as I could get it. I felt it hit the bottom, so I think we're good there. So, next thing is to check our connections, see if we have any leaks. Alright guys, I think we are done with stage one of our pressure washer install. We've got the Pex all installed and hooked up. Checked it all for leaks. It looks like we're good for leaks, so that's excellent for this amateur first time doing Pex. This will be our shutoff valve. We'll have a little piece that comes down here with a garden hose connection for the pressure washer. But if we go up, we got a 90 up there, and then we're coming across all the way up to there in the corner, 90 down to here, and then over to our hole that we made, and we'll shine some light up there so you can see that again. But yeah, going up there another 90 and then into the laundry room where we hooked up to that copper pipe with a Sharkbite 90-degree elbow. Everything looks good so far. So All right, guys, that's going to about do it for this amateur hour. First time installing Pex. I think it went pretty well. Got everything ran through the laundry room out to the garage. No leaks so far, so I think that's a plus. And yeah, everything is ready for the pressure washer now. I'll have links in the description to all the parts and tools that I purchased for this. It was about $170 all in for me because I had to buy that $70 tool. So if you have access to a tool where you could borrow that from somebody, save yourself 70 bucks. That makes it a lot cheaper. But yeah, Amazon associate links, I get a kickback, a little commission there, so appreciate if you guys would use those. And if you haven't already, please like and subscribe, and stay tuned for that pressure washer install video. We picked up a giraffe wall mount, so that should be coming out here soon. Have a good one.